I'm about to show you exactly how to destroy the most important decade of your life, so pay attention. Because if you want to make sure the next 30 years are set up for failure, this is exactly how to do it. First, start by making sure everyone else is your measuring stick. Do you see that 19-year-old with a Lamborghini? Well, he's not just driving the car, he's driving you insane. Because you don't know the story, you don't know his struggles, you don't know his sacrifices. But that doesn't matter. What matters is that feeling in your chest. Let it consume you, that jealousy. Let it convince you that you're already behind in a race that you never agreed to run. Next, treat your goals like a slot machine. Pull the lever for 1 month. If it doesn't play out, move on to the next machine. Jump from drop shipping to crypto to coaching to NFTs. Consistency? That's for people who lack creativity. Because the real entrepreneurs, they're coming up with new ideas and they hop from opportunity to opportunity. They make some money here and they jump onto the next one. So never focus on one goal at a time. Focus on the easiest ones and ditch them if they don't work. Then make sure that you're chasing every single shiny object you can find. If someone else make money, make some money with it too. Don't ask if it fits your skills. Don't ask if it aligns with your purpose. Just see if it's trending, if it's hot on TikTok. Let fear of missing out be your business strategy and chase everything that looks like a decent opportunity. From here, live for the image, not the reality. Lease that car that you can't afford. It's not just a way to get from point A to point B. We need to impress everyone. It's a monthly reminder that you value things that are worth a lot of money. Rent that pricey apartment to impress people who forgot about you the moment they left. Because looking successful is, of course, more important than being successful. So make sure to let your bank account bleed while your image shines. And if you really want to guarantee an average life, never stick with anything long enough to get actually good at it. 6 months is basically a lifetime in your world. So if you're not making 6 figures by then, clearly you're not built for it. Slow progress is for other people. You're different. You're special. You'll find the shortcut that we all missed. And when you don't, just remember that you're the exception. Those people who worked years to build their success, they just got lucky. Finally, never actually develop any skills. You don't need them. Why learn a skill when you can just find a hack? Why build up your internal self when you can just buy another course to fix that? Why practice and work hard when you can just pray for a breakthrough? Skills are overrated, shortcuts are underrated, and everything will magically fall on your lap. Your 20s are happening right now. Every day you spend chasing illusions instead of building foundations is a day that you can't ever get back. The choice is yours, but if you want to ruin your 20s completely, just follow this blueprint because it's guaranteed to work. Good luck, you're going to need it.